Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I've got these leftovers. If you saw my last video you would have seen me do a beach theme and I've got quite a few leftovers and I thought, well, why don't I do a wave? I've seen lots of people do waves using the Dutch pour method. So I got this out and I thought, you know what, I've got a lot of paint and I want to be able to do lots of blowing. So let's put that away and get this one out. So this is a 20 by 20 inch canvas. So I feel a bit nervous because I'm taking a bit of a risk, but I've got lots of paints. I've drawn a bit of a design, so I want my wave going this way and coming down and crashing. I want some sky up here. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to lay down my sky first. And I'm going to try and blow that with a blow dryer. And you know what? I'm going to cover my edges. So, my corners at the very least. I'm just going to blend this. Alright, so hopefully that's enough. I've got more left now though. Okay. Let's start laying down some of these colours. Now I've got quite a bit of this colour here. I'm not really sure what's supposed to go in here. Maybe some of that light blue. And I think I'm going to have to get this right the first time because I'm running out of paints. I've got this other colour. It's a little bit on the grey side though. I'm hoping this will just have enough to I'm going to scoop some of that out because I don't want this colour. I just wanted to wet the canvas a bit. I might actually mop that on a bit. Now I've also got this colour here, which is, I just wanted to use it as like a little bit of glistening on the top. But I don't know if it's going to do much. Alright, the colours look good. This is the green spreading because I put a little bit of the Deco Art Aquamarine in there. Okay, so far, so good. I want a little bit more white through here. We've got the cells popping up through from the aquamarine. Hopefully they don't get too ginormous. See if we can get a little bit of that going, because I like this down here. I particularly like that. Got a little bit of the glistening happening there. Okay, I think now I'm going to work with a straw and some pop sticks and just add a little bit of detail. Get a little bit of froth happening on the top there. And we need it going down here as well. I'm not sure what to do right here. I got a little bit of the goldy stuff going through there. I'm going to add some splashes as well. I'm going to add some splashes. Got an idea. I just need to find the right colour. Really sure about all this here. There we go, that fixes that. Yeah, it's good. Okay, here is the wet result. And I'm pretty happy with it. I wish this was flat up here though, so I might have to try and save this colour and touch it up afterwards. And maybe touch a little bit of this inside up afterwards as well, because I don't want to keep adding paint to it. I'm worried it's going to crack. But I really love this bit through here. These may keep growing. I hope they don't. They've been sitting for a little while now. I've got a few through here. I like this through here. That looks really good. And I've added a little bit of dark strips through there just to help that along. It gets lighter down here, and we've got the splashes. So that's the first time I've had a go at dropping like dots. And I think it works really well with this one. So I will bring you back when it's dry. Okay, here is the dry result, and it's I love it. It's gorgeous. I'll just take you up on a bit of a higher angle. Trying a different camera today for my dry results, and this didn't get any bigger, so I'm very pleased with that. I love the bubbles through here, and I love this splash coming up through here. So I added a little bit of shading through here, and I think that's helped this area not be quite so muddy. A little bit of highlights through here as well. As for shine through the wave, there is a tiny little bit, but it's nothing significant. And I added a bit of sponge work down here, but I'm not sure if I really like that. I do really like the lots of small bubbles. It took me ages with the brush to splash them around, and I got a few in some different spots, which is really good. Yeah, I love this through here though, this dark bit. This was the first blowout, and I think it turned out really well. There was some lovely cells through here that I ended up blowing over. So, but you know, this is fairly new technique for me. I really enjoyed doing the big blowout. So I definitely need to have another go at that. Yeah. Let me know what you think in the comments below. As I said, I really love this one. I hope you guys do too. So I will probably experimenting a bit more with that, but the next few videos I'm doing some metallics again. I bought a box of Arteza, which I haven't used before, so I'll be playing around with those. So yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.